Ruin someone's day, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, ruin someone's day. Have you ever had a day that started off great but then something happened that completely changed your mood for the worse? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's break down what this phrase means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you understand and use it correctly in your conversations. Stay tuned. To ruin someone's day means to do something or for an event to happen that drastically worsens someone's mood or experiences on that particular day. It implies that the day, which might have been going well, has been negatively affected to the point where the person feels unhappy, upset, or frustrated for the rest of the day. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from minor inconveniences to significant disappointments. Using ruin someone's day in sentences is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples to help you get a better grasp. 1. I didn't mean to ruin your day by telling you about the job rejection. 2. The sudden rainstorm really ruined our day at the beach. 3. Hearing such negative comments first thing in the morning can ruin anyone's day. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to fit different subjects. Your day, our day, anyone's day, depending on who is affected. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your vocabulary and allow you to express the same idea in different ways. Here are a few. Spoil someone's day, put a damper on the day, make a day go downhill, turn a good day into a bad one. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slight nuances in meaning or emotional impact. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to ruin someone's day, and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English conversations. Remember, it's a powerful expression that conveys a strong change in someone's mood due to an external event or action. Try using it in your sentences, and see how it can help you express empathy or describe situations more vividly. Thank you for watching, and we hope your day goes wonderfully well. No ruining allowed here. See you in our next video.